First up, let's get you this breaking update of this tragedy that seems to have unfolded in Lakhisarai in Bihar. At least 6 people reportedly have lost their lives in a stampede-like incident that has been reported at the Ashok Dham in Bihar's Lakhisarai. Now, this incident reportedly followed rumors of an electric shock that after several people came into contact with a live electric pole, while several others were injured and were rushed to treatment, according to police. That seems to be a development that seems to be unfolding in Bihar's Lakhisarai because of rumors there, a stampede-like situation that seems to have unfolded in Bihar. And as far as this temple is now concerned, this is now being reported to say at least 6 people reportedly have lost their lives. There are others as well who are said to be injured. But right now, this seems to be the situation that is now unfolding. There are reactions also coming in from the authorities' side as far as the measures and the steps that has been taken up by them to control the situation. But what has now been said, because of a rumor that spread of people dying or getting in touch with a live wire, seems to have created this stampede-like situation and a panic. Let's connect with Kritika on this. Do we have more information, and what is the current situation?
Amita, as of now, we can inform our viewers that about 6 people have died in this stampede-like situation at the Ashok Dham temple. Now, this place in Bihar's Lakhisarai, the incident, of course, has followed after there were rumors, reportedly as of currently we can inform this, that there were murmurs of how there is an electric shock after several people came in contact with a live electric pole, which created a lot of chaos.
We'll just reconnect that line with you, Kritika, for a better understanding. But that is what is now being said of the situation now, because this is the Ashok Dham Mandir, where what is now being said, a lot of women are said to be the ones who have unfortunately been injured as well. And over 12 of them are said to be injured. Reportedly, 6 people unfortunately have lost their lives. And today being a Monday, the Jal Abhishek ceremony that was taking place at the Mandir. However, there was this unfortunate rumor that was spread across of people coming in contact with the live fire, and panic spread, and that panic led to a stampede-like situation. So 6 people, however, are reported dead. We are yet to hear from the authorities over there on what they have to say on the current situation, if they have now managed to control it. So, Kritika, have the situation been brought under control?
Amita, as of now, the injured have been taken to the hospital, is what we're understanding from police sources. There have, of course, been casualties, so that is also being attended to now, because the entire incident happened due to a rumor. Even that is, of course, being contained as of the moment. But definitely with the casualties and the injuries in currently the administration is focusing on, in fact, providing medical facilities to those who have also got injured in the stampede-like situation.
Yes, limited preliminary information that is now coming in, because this is something which we are waiting on part of the authorities as well to give us an account as to what is the situation that we are now looking at. But is there a number from the authorities, however, still not confirmed yet, Kritika, on the people who have been reported dead and also who have been injured? That seems to be the point that we are now focusing at. Pictures that have been coming in as far as those who have been injured were rushed to the hospital for treatment. But unfortunately, the news that have been coming in, at least 6 people, mostly said to be women, unfortunately have lost their lives or have been injured, as far as today being a Monday and the Jal Abhishek that has been taking place. And that is why we were looking at long queues at the Ashok Dham, the Mandir there. And what is now being said, according to a rumor, that an electric pole fell and people have come in contact with a live wire that led to a situation of panic and unfortunately a stampede-like situation which seems to have claimed the lives of at least 6 people. And what is now said, more than 8 of them are said to be injured. They have been either shifted to Sadar Hospital in Lakhisarai, and where their treatment has now been given. But however, what has now been said, that initial information that has now been said that is now being sought on part of the authorities as to what led to this rumor being spread. And of course, when it comes to people there who have unfortunately lost their lives. So we are looking at the situation there, which is still said to be sensitive. Kritika, any word from the authorities?
Amita, as of now, the authorities have confirmed that at least 6 people have lost their lives. That is an official account on the casualties as far as that is concerned in this unfortunate stampede that has occurred. We have a preliminary reason, which is said to be rumors of people getting an electric shock due to a live electric pole, and that is what has created a lot of confusion and chaos on the ground, and which is why the stampede-like situation occurred. Now, the injured have been taken to hospitals via ambulance, the nothing that the authorities have currently confirmed. But of course, more information is still awaited as far as the investigation and the health status on the devotees who were taken to the hospital is concerned. Of course, we can expect the government to also announce certain ex gratia amount for those who have unfortunately lost their lives. Whether or not there may be any action taken against the temple authorities is also something that the authorities have to get back on. But currently, the focus remains on the people who have unfortunately lost their lives, as well as those who have gotten injured in the process. Yes, Amita.
Absolutely, because we are expected to receive a reaction also coming in from the SDPO, who is now confirmed that 6 people have died in the stampede-like incident at Ashokdham temple in Lakhisarai. Several injuries that have been reported though, but it is still unclear as far as the numbers of those who have been shifted to the hospital for treatment. But pictures that have been coming in from inside the hospital as well, and mostly, Kritika, we are looking at women there. Of course, this is being the festivities, Sawan, and today also being a Monday. There was expected to be a huge crowd at the mandirs there for the Jal Abhishek. So this is the information coming in part of the authorities, which is still awaited, because the moment the information was reached to the police and the administration, they were dispatched to the site. And in the meantime, मृत्युंजय झा जी हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं। मृत्युंजय झा जी, अब सावन है, सोमवार है, पता होता है कि मंदिरों में भीड़ ज्यादा होगी, लेकिन उसके बावजूद अगर इंतजाम ऐसे नहीं किए जाते, 6 लोगों की आप जान न बताए जा रहे अफरा तफरी में चली गई है, और ये अशोकधाम मंदिर लखीसराय से खबर आ रही है।
देखिए, एक तो इतनी बड़ी घटना घटी, इसके लिए बहुत ही दुख का विषय है, बहुत शोक संवेदना देते हैं। लेकिन एक बड़ी बात है कि आज सोमवार के दिन जो बिहार में जो एक बड़े स्थान है, उसमें अशोकधाम का वो मंदिर है, और वास्तव में एक बड़ी संख्या वहां जुटती है। कहीं न कहीं वो लापरवाही जरूर हुई है, जो बिजली की शॉकिंग हुई है, तो निश्चित रूप से वो ऐसे दोषी जो व्यक्ति है उस पर कार्रवाई तो हम करेंगे। लेकिन यह जो घटना है अत्यंत दुखद है। भगवान शिव के सावन के सोमवारी है, और इस प्रकार की घटना होना निश्चित रूप से जिसकी जो भी चूक है उसकी तुरंत जांच करके तुरंत उस पर कार्रवाई करने का काम होगा, क्योंकि हमारे वहाँ के विधायक और बिहार सरकार के मंत्री अभी विजय सिन्हा जी है, तो तुरंत उस पर संज्ञान भी लिया गया है। तो निश्चित रूप से इस पर हम लोग कार्रवाई करके और पता करेंगे आखिर किस कारण से ये शॉकिंग हुई है, किस प्रकार से इलेक्ट्रिक का घटना घटा है, इसके पीछे किनकी हाथ है। जरूर
क्योंकि अभी 6 लोगों की जान चली गई है, अब उनमें एक जो घायल है उसमें भी ज्यादा महिलाएं बताई जा रही है, पर अभी ऑन ग्राउंड सिचुएशन उसकी भी जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो आनी अभी बाकी है। बट धन्यवाद आपका मृत्युंजय जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। द गवर्नमेंट देयर assuring that full response and full information that would be given on part of the complete assessment of this tragedy.